Hello everyone, I bring you a new video on strategy for OTC market. We are going to show you what this strategy is, which I think have been applied in another video, but I haven't done it in a short time frame. Let's start with the settings. Go to the candles and choose right Nash candle. And we're gonna use 15 seconds on time frame. You're going to use Amazing Oscillator, alright, as the indicator. Okay. So awesome oscillator, we're gonna use that. 5 on period short, 34 on period long, and with this style. Okay. And guys, just click on save, and we're gonna start with 1 minute on time and 12 on your value. Okay. And of course, it's giving me a clear trend right here. If you just notice that, we always show movement both down and up the candles. At least 2 candles will indicate the entry. So I'm going to get an entry, and when I have it, I'll take and explain it. First entry of the session, or that's look like it's a downward entry on that. Okay, so we just need to wait for that. Look at this, $12 sell button. All right, as you can see, and doesn't go through, guys. It goes back and up and doesn't go through. Okay, let's see that, and let's wait. And could be form a resistance at the time in the line. So even though it's not happening here either, and guided by the trend, and the minute also showed me down or trends. Let's look at MU1, as you can see right here. That's good. 15 seconds again. And guys, it's important to mention that entry on the side, because if you look at the oscillatory right here, they are fake. They are drawn below. It means that it's running below. And look at that, guys. We got our first win. $23 in the total. Alright? And let's use $20 in the next one. 50 seconds time frame, 1 minute on expiration time. Remember that. Okay? I have the first success of the session. I'm going to look for a second position. And let's wait for that, guys. Okay? And I will explain that. And look at this, another one on Euros 8F, another sell button, okay, downward again. And guys, we fear that amazing, this one awesome oscillator, or amazing oscillator, that still shows is trend despite the downward trend. The price here doesn't move, and just moving, look at that. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. It means I have 2 out of 3 mats, so my entry probability is very high. I'm going to wait for the time to pass on the second position. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Another win, $38 in the total right here, right now. Almost $42. Okay? And look at that, guys. It's may turn around. That's create a revert and start to go down again. And it was against the trend. I could lose that. Alright, and we just got this one. And when it's in my favor, guys, and kind of accumulation distribution forms, depend on the case. If I wait for such much rejection, the entry is more than entry. It's more likely to happen. I wait for the price right here, just as I'm showing right now, even though the price changed everything else, but look at the amazing oscillator, man. Awesome oscillator. Alright. I have strong haven over that. Alright. So next entry, guys, we got this zone in the DJPY, the buy button, $4. It's again 15 seconds time frame, 1 minute on that. And look at that correction. Alright. Is the price falling sharply? Yes, but look, that's a very strong moment. Look at the histogram of the OSMA oscillator. That is falling again and doesn't move. I have a strong haven. right? In this case, the OSMA oscillator tell me yes, plus a small red, and just look this, all right? And guys, another win, $76, $78 in the total in my account right now. I have this on that one. We got this, all right? That is amazing, good strategy. That's pretty nice, okay? And I see if this is breaking and going into the upside, you can always wait for it. But look, watch how it is trying to break through and doesn't break the resistance either. Okay, I'm going to see what this break, possible gun up. Because of that, I click on that to buy button again. Both this and this is look ahead. I have my last entry. I don't know if this is too late. Look at the candle. Look at the candle right here. This time to start to go up, man. The OSMA oscillator showed me an upward trend. The interesting things about the structure, as such as this, look at it. That's why it's false. Look at this, and it doesn't happen. All right, it doesn't happen. Does happen. It's rise to a maximum end test, and then it's giving me an upward momentum. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. That's my entry criteria. I see that it pull back. Just enjoy this moment and wait for the last 1-2 candles and then I enter. And well, it's look like the position. Okay. It's different from the other guys. It's moving very strongly in my direction. I got this $144, almost 148 in the total. So last seconds for this, and we got this again. All right, that's concluded this video for this, guys. Maybe it lasts a long time, maybe it does not. But anyway, I increased my count 12 to 147. I advise you to be patient when I enter and trade with any strategy, risk management, and so on. If you like this video, guys, please like and leave your opinion in the comments and to see how the strategies work for you. The results. If you haven't used it, if you haven't seen results or how you can feel it. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Good search for you. Good operation. And see you later, guys. Bye-bye.